Hey, I realize there are all sorts of electronic devices out there that you can use to do calculations on, but it's still good to know how to get fractions processed so that you can get an accurate result. What I'm talking about is adding up fractional numbers. How many times in your workshop do you end up doing this? So you want to double check your numbers? Here's a really easy way to do it. You need 2 rulers. So let's add 3 and 11/16 plus 1 and 5/8. I'm pretty good at doing math in my head, but this is even easier. Here's how this works. 3 and 11/16, find that on ruler number 1. Bring over ruler number 2 and make the end of that ruler even with that dimension. So the end of ruler number 2 goes at 3 and 11/16. Then on ruler number 2, find 1 and 5/8. Right there, and then simply direct read on ruler number 1 what the dimension is, 5 and 5/16. So there, without making smoke come out of your ears or having to have another cup of coffee so you can figure it out, or running and finding your fractional calculator, you can easily just direct read off of the second ruler, get an accurate result, and it makes it really easy to add up fractions.